grabbing with your right hand the leg pulleys. Keep hold of the bobbles at the top. Go ahead and put your left foot into the stirrup. Keep the bobbles together and put the right foot in. Engage your abdominals. Keep the legs bent until you're right at the bottom. Make sure the hair's out of the way. And then go ahead and lock up those abs and go into windmill, alternating which leg comes forward. So now left forward and full circle all the way around. Beautiful. Now the right one. Full circle, coming around and back and together. Keeping the abs engaged the whole time. Shoulders pinched and elbows soft. Holding the back of the right and go ahead into single hamstring pull. Give it a little pull, keeping the butt and the lower back on the board. Alternating, keeping the head engaged. If your neck hurts, pop the leg down. Go ahead and put the legs together. Go into frog now, putting the heels together, the toes out. Try and maintain that glide board nice and still. Engaging the abs, little zip, lower back down. Knees spread. And you want to have limited movement. Now going into long spine, right to the bottom. Flex the feet, pull into the abdominals, and with control, come back, point at the top, come down, pointed feet, lift up with the glutes, open, flex the feet, pull into the abdominals and roll back. Beautiful. If your back is hurting, just bring that glide board down. Beautiful. You want control here. The control comes from abs. Going into a short spine with bicycle now. Alternating, pushing into the heels. Just cradle the head and keep your lower back down. Taking it into a bicycle twist. No need to touch with the elbow. Just rotate the shoulders. Engaging abdominals rather than pulling on the neck. Beautiful. Control is what we're trying to get right throughout this workout. Coming now down to your frog feet, and we're going to short spine. Roll up and make sure you hit the bottom. Lift up your butt and then roll back down like a ball. And then extend legs, come down, roll up like a ball. Lift up through the buttocks, pull into the abdominals and roll back. Beautiful. Coming down and pressing back into the stirrups. And put the hands over top to make sure you hit the bottom before you lift. Keeping the lower abdominals engaged right to the end. Beautiful. Checking you engage all the way down. Now go ahead and grab the pulleys. Back by the black bobbles where you're safe to take the feet out. Wrap, fold and put those cables back in the middle. And then rolling your way back up and extend.